Does your makeup looks like this or this? Maybe there's something wrong about how you layer your skincare. Let me teach you on how to properly layer your skincare. First step is you have to know your skin condition, whether you're oily, dry, or combination skin type. Second is layering your skincare from thinnest to thickest. When I say layering your skincare is you have to first put the toner, second is the serum, third is the moisturizer, and lastly is the sunscreen. Toner is actually wiping off the dirt in your face. As for me, hindi na ako nagto-toner. I'll go straight with my spray serum. I'll just spray this all over in my entire face. Next is you have to allocate more time in doing your skincare. Next is I'm going in with my moisturizer. This is very thick moisturizer for that hydrated and glowy look. Actually guys, in doing your skin prep, talagang you need to allocate more time kasi if hindi, the tendency is nagpipeel off siya sa skin mo. Kasi kapag hindi siya tuyo at pinatungan mo siya ng base, definitely magpipeel off siya or parang naglilibag-libag. Another secret is do not put too much para madali lang din siyang mag-set at siya maglilibag-libag. Look at my skin with just these two products. Grabe, sobrang hydrated na ng face ko. But another tip lang, if you're using silicone-based skincare, dapat din yung base mo sa makeup is silicone din. But if you're using water-based skincare, dapat yung base mo din sa makeup is water-based. So in my case, I have dry to oily skin or I have combination skin. So I am using these three products. Because these two products are water gel type. So pinapartneran ko siya ng mga water-based na mga makeup. If you think that your moisturizer is too yuna, then you can go in with your favorite sunscreen. So mine is from their Self Beauty Aqua Face sunscreen, and I love this so much. It's very lightweight on the skin and no white cast. So these three things are just my skincare. Like, look at that. My face is so hydrated. By the way, guys, I'm pretty much sure that this coming 11/11, magsisale tong lahat. So, abang-abang na lang tayo. See you in my next one. Bye!